Okay, I'm going to try to use this cardboard that came with the box so that it will try to go home onto the charger because it was having trouble with the charger. Now you can see this board is kind of a little bit warped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over and put it underneath like that. So hopefully, so see there's like a little kind of a runway for it so that maybe when it goes home it'll actually go to the charger. So let's see. Oh, it started on its own to try to find home, I think. So go home. Okay, I don't know where he's going now, but hopefully he's looking for home. Okay, so let's see what he does. See if he can do it. That's not a good sign. So maybe that's kind of bent there, I don't know. Okay, let's try turning it that way maybe. Maybe that'll work better. Try that. Hey, looky there. Alright, looky there. It did it. Let's try second time just to be sure. Okay. Clean. Okay, let it go on and go out a little bit. Okay. Now hit home. Okay, so at some point here maybe it should go home. Okay, that's not good. Alright. Now obviously it's still not where I can just leave the room. I still have to monitor it because it pushes the cardboard around or won't. Let's try it again. I guess that's a little irritating. It's still not 100% solution. It's kind of a marginal solution at best. I mean, I don't really want to have cardboard out in the room anyway, but you can see our messy carpet. This carpet is like 25 years old. We're looking at replacing it, and I bought this robot in hopes of, when we do get the carpet, it'll be a nice little gift for it. Oh, I guess I should hit the home button so it'll go home. Okay, so hopefully it'll go home now. Go home, robot. Go home. Okay, let's see what it does here. It looks like it might hit that cardboard again. Yeah, see how it just like that's what it did last time. It kind of interferes with it. So you can see it's kind of not really a solution. Okay, well, stop that. Go somewhere else. Let's see if it'll clean now. Go where. Okay, let's see if we can reset this. Maybe I'll. Now you can see maybe that's not a good solution. Let's try putting it again this way. See, maybe it's just a bad thing. But you can see it's just going to push the cardboard around. Okay, so go home. Let's see what it does. Yes, go home. And he's sort of doing it. Nope. Turn. Yay! So see, it works sometimes doing that. Let's try again. Just see what happens, because you know, it needs to be able to do it more than just once. So this is kind of like a 50-50 solution, I guess. Still not the best solution, but better than nothing, I guess. Okay, go home. Oh, can you do it? Can you do it? Well, I guess I did it. Okay, so there we go. Maybe the cardboard is the solution. It's not the best solution, but it's better than not working at all, I guess. So maybe that's what I got to do to make this thing work, is put cardboard down. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.